Hi, my name is Mike, and I want to talk about my experience with pop-on veneers. I have really bad teeth. I was very skeptical that anybody could make veneers that would fix my smile. I can show you here. Very, very bad. I lived in art studios for many years when I first moved to Chicago, and most of the units never had bathrooms, and so I just got in the habit of not brushing my teeth, and over time, this is what happens. My two front teeth are kind of crooked. I read in the literature that that might be a problem, so I just took a shot to see if they could do anything, and it worked. It's amazing. I've gotten so many compliments. All my family members, I think my mom was like crying even. I was using this compound before that you kind of put in between, and that actually made my teeth worse. My teeth were straight, and the compound like made them more crooked. These feel like they're holding them nicely in place and like protecting them. Um, I tried some other pre-made solutions for veneers, and they were horrible. It looked like you were wearing like a mouth guard. These are just like a thin skin over your teeth, but very rigid and just pleasant to wear. I barely notice I'm wearing them. I haven't had them very long. I've been eating with them. They're holding up very well. I'm probably going to order a second set. Um, my first set of molds was rejected because I didn't do the gum line properly, and Pop On Veneer sent a new kit out. I didn't even have to do anything. I just got an email that there was a new kit on the way, and that showed up like in 2 days. And so I redid the mold, sent it back, and I had the veneers probably like 5 days later at my door, which I couldn't believe. I was expecting it to take weeks, so I was very happy about that. What else? I think I did a lot of research before choosing pop-on veneers. Probably for like over a year, I researched and kind of like was gonna do it and then didn't do it and kept going back and forth. But pop-on veneers, I think, has the best value as far as like the price and the time, the how fast you get the veneers, and what else, the other stuff that comes with it, like the cleaners and the case, which I love. It's really handy to have a case. I have a pretty cluttered apartment, so having the case, make sure I don't step on them and stuff, is really useful. Um, what else? I avoided going to the dentist just because I know that they're going to have to extract more teeth from me, unfortunately, and I didn't want to go around with no teeth. And so before I could start getting my teeth fixed like I need to, I got these. And now I've actually made my first dentist appointment, and I'm looking forward to getting my teeth fixed and looking good in between. I feel like I would want to wear these anyway, even when I had good teeth, because it feels like they're protecting them. And especially, eating and stuff is abrasive and hard on teeth, as it any teeth. Um, yeah, it took me about a day to get used to eating with them. The only thing that was like weird to me was that I had finally had a lot more teeth than before, and so the places where there were no teeth, I wasn't used to having teeth. But I'm used to them now. I don't even notice them, and I feel like I'm starting to talk normally again. So great experience with this company. I'm definitely going to order a spare set, and